Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to work on my accordion spine no-sew journal that I made with you guys the other day, and I will post that on the end screen if you want to come check out how to make it. It's super fun and easy. And all right, so I have my glue and water mixture here. It's just 50-50 Elmer's and water. And I got my scraps, got my journal, and I just want to start by, let's start with this front page here, or the cover, and I just want to glue down some papers. Just any scrap papers you got. Just put the glue down first. It's probably best to open your journal up and lay it like that. There we go. Then we don't glue any pages together. Nothing like that. So I'm just lining these up just to get a base on here. And it helps thicken the pages too. So I'm just going to continue gluing, and I just put some down and some on top and go to the next strip. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get it all covered. Alright, so we got our pages glued on top here, just our scrap paper. I'm going to take a little white gesso and just put a little bit down. And the gesso helps, gives it to like a good tooth to have it so any stenciling or inks or texture paste or anything like that will stick better. So it gives it kind of a good prime. So it's nice to use some gesso. I'm just kind of just getting it on here for the background. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my heat gun and dry all this. And I'll be back. All right, so I went ahead and did the gesso and the heat gun and got it fairly dry here. Pretty good. And now what I want to do is, this is the cover. So this is going to be the cover. So I want to do something fun on it. And I want to make it Halloweenish feel, fall, like a fall feel to it. So I have my pumpkins here, and these are really fun. I have digitals for you guys if you want to come to my Etsy shop. And they're fun templates. So I got different sizes. I got bigger ones like this, which make great journal covers too for, you know, like when you're making your bigger journals and stuff. These are great to play with. And you can also adjust the sizes too. I think you could just adjust it in your, after you get the digital and stuff. I'm pretty sure you can. I'm not very tech savvy about all that, but once you purchase it, you can reprint them and I think resize everything too. I'm sure you can. But, these are the smaller ones that are great for belly bands, pockets, and I'm just going to use this one as the cover. I think it's this one right here, like that. So it's really great templates that you can cut and use, and the faces are just, you know, you can use them on any of them, in the little ones and stuff. So it's just super fun. So it's a fun little digital. You get 3 pages. You get this one, and then these 2. So come check them out. Yeah, I'll put the link down below. And I'd really appreciate it. I think you guys would have fun playing with those. So that's what I'm going to use today. And I'll put the video on the end screen of different things that I used, that I incorporated and made with each one. I did different techniques on each one of them. So I'll put that on the end screen. You guys can come check out that video. It's pretty fun. Okay, so now I want to put this here. These are just super fun to play with. So that I want to be the cover. But before I do that, I want to play around with my stencils here. And I want to do some fall leaves. And I like this too. I like the viney look to this part of it right here. So I'm going to do it about here and kind of make it look like it's coming out of the pumpkin in the background. So I think that would look cute. So what I have is my oxides. Crackling Campfire, which is always a fun fall color. Black Soot, vintage photo. And then I got my little blending tools here. So I think I'm going to start off with the crackle. So I'm just going to take it. And there we go. I mean, isn't that pretty? So I just did a little blend of everything. So that's fun. Let's see. So it kind of gives it look like that's coming out of the pumpkin. Is that super cool? All right. So I'm liking that. And then I want to put a little bit of some of the fall leaves in the corners, maybe poking out under the pumpkin here. So let's do that. So I think that's going to look cute underneath there like that. So you just place it like this, have it poking out, and then we'll go ahead and do a couple. I'm just going to have a couple more. I'm just going to keep poking out a bunch just to kind of cover up the bottom here. Okay, so I went ahead and did a little bit of blending around the edge here with some crackle. The crackle campfire. Isn't that what it's called? Yeah, crackling campfire. So I did that around it. Then I was like, you know what? It kind of blends in. So that's why I did the crackling. And then I was like, I think I need a little bit of something behind it. So I did some black, which I think I need a little bit more. So I think the black behind the pumpkin has it so it doesn't blend as, you know, just blend into the background. So it kind of makes it pop. So then I put that down. And I was like, yeah, that works. You know, after I did the leaves and stuff. And then I did that. And then I went ahead and went around the edges with the crackling campfire. And then blended a little more with the vintage photo. Just kind of grunged it up. So it's just not so crackling around the edges here. So did that, and now I'm thinking I want to take it to my sewing machine, and I'm just going to do a zigzag stitch around it to kind of make this pop out a little bit more. So I'll be right back. Okay, I think that's just what it needed. Need a little bit of sewing around it. So now what I want to do, I'll take a little black soot. There. Okay. I'm going to glue it down. And then now I'm going to do the words. It needs words on it. So I'm going to do the words pumpkin patch. So I'll do pumpkin up here and then patch down here. So I think that'll be really fun. Just to do it right across the top. And I'm going to use the black soot. Nice. So we got pumpkin. And then I'll do the word patch. Got little Patty joining us. Yeah. I know. You got such a hard cat life. She's so funny. She's got her little cat door to go in and out. And she's got her little fun bed out on her own bench and everything with her little bed out there. And she loves laying out there. And she thinks it's time for her snack right now, but it's not time. She's done lazing out in the sun. Now she's wondering what I'm up to doing. Time to feed her. I think that turned out really cool. So what do you guys think? Is that fun? I would love to hear in the comments. Let me know what you guys think down below. Please hit the like button. That helps me out so much. And leave a comment. I would love to hear from you guys for sure. But this is the starting of our little no-sew accordion spine junk journal. So I thought, why not? Let's go with the fall theme here. And we'll go through and I'll do a fun playlist of this. Just the accordion spine no-sew journal, and we'll see what we can make out of it. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys will see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.